Welcome patchworkers, quilters and fellow fabric lovers. Here we are at Craft Alive in Wodonga, and I've got Brett here today. We're on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe so you can actually watch everything, and we're going to promote some of the exhibitors. But how are you this morning, Brett?
Yeah, good, and gorgeous day. So
it's a beautiful day.
I
yes.
could take nearly the coat off. It's warmed up. So we'll get the doors opening very soon.
Yes.
In what, 15
minutes?
10-15 minutes
yes.
time. If you haven't already got your tickets, pre-purchase them online.
Yes.
Save a couple of dollars. Book into the classes nice and early. They've been filling up.
They have been filling up. Yes, definitely.
I'm going to leave you to get through these guys.
Yep, I'm going to start getting these exhibitors through.
See you real soon.
Open. Thank you. Okay, guys, come on through. And what we're going to do? Who have we got here today? Karen.
Stitches and things. We come from Lakes Entrance. We have amazing accessories, luxury yarns, fabulous blankets.
Yay!
Come see us at Craft Alive.
At Craft Alive. No worries. Thank you. Next one, in you come.
Hi, I'm Heather from Stampin Up.
And I'm Rose from Stampin Up.
We have these cards for you to create today. So we have classes at 11, 12:30 and 2:30. So come on down and check it out.
Wonderful. Thank you. Next one. You might come out.
Hi, I'm Renata from Ritzy Rocks, and I have beautiful Venetian glass jewellery. So if you want to have a touch of Venice, come to Craft Alive.
Wonderful. Thank you. Come on in.
Hi, I'm Dorothy from Rockleaf Moss. This is a kokedama. We'll be running classes all day long. We have classes for kokedama, terrariums and macrame plant hangers.
Wonderful. Thank you. Come on in. We got Di.
Hi, I'm Diane from the Quilt Basket at stand 64, and I've got free instructions for the shaggy quilts.
Wonderful. Free instructions giveaway.
Yes.
Come and see Di. Come on in. Who have we got?
Hi, Margaret from Creature Crafts. I'm running a class at 11 o'clock this morning. You can learn how to do some English paper piecing applique. Easy way.
Easy way.
Great,
Wonderful.
thank you.
See you there. Come on in. We've got Anne.
Hi, I'm Anne from Crystals and More, and I have my ultimate ruler. First rule of cutting strips, anything you want, really accurate, and you don't fly off the side
And your
of the
class?
ruler. Oh yeah, and I did meshwork classes at 2 o'clock.
Wonderful. Thank
Wonderful.
you. Next one.
Hi, I'm Michelle from Snazzi Scrappin. I've got all your card making, scrapbooking and mixed media needs straight from Dubbo.
Wonderful. One from Dubbo. Wonderful. Come on in. We got Angela.
Hi, Angela from So Bright Alpine Quilting. We've got lots of fat quarters on the stand, 5 for 20, and demos of the So Kind of Wonderful rulers.
Wonderful. Thank
Stand
you.
109.
109. Come and see Angela. She's getting a coffee.
Sorry,
Here we
getting
go.
coffee.
The important stuff at this time of the morning.
Hi, Karen from So and So Sisters. We're based in Canberra. We have lots of crafting, kits, quilts.
Wonderful.
Lots of things.
Come down and have a chat with
Thank
you.
you.
Wonderful. Come on in.
Hi, Leanne from Kaszazz. Come and see us at Craft Alive. We've got a free make and take and a workshop. You can come and say hello, and we'll talk to you then.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Come and
Bye.
have a chat. Yep. Here we go. Come on in.
Mary from BLMG Designs. I'm from Tallangatta, and my make and take are these. I'll show you how to make these wet felted flowers.
And what time?
11 o'clock.
11 o'clock. Come and see her. Come on in.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. Colleen from Cobar Quilt Shop. 1 o'clock we'll be doing some demos on different things, and the ruler is one of them, very important. And we also have Wiggles fabric.
Wiggles fabric.
Wiggles.
The little
Thank
Wiggles.
you.
Come on in. Here we go.
Hi, I'm Elva from Elite Gift Collection, and I've got my new wooden logs miniature gardens here, and we have so much fun making these, and my classes are running due out today, so anyone wants to come by, sign 32.
Yep, site 32 as you
Look
walk
forward to
down
seeing
through the
that.
door.
No
Wonderful,
worries, see
thank
you.
you.
Bye.
Come on in, Lynn.
Hi, I'm Lynn from Flexi Craft Moulds, site 87, and we demonstrate all day to show you how to make easy cake decorating with moulds.
Wonderful, thank you. Come on in.
Hello. Hi, I'm Jeanette from Just Crafts. I'm showcasing patterns from
this
Pattern
one.
Pool
There we go.
and fabrics and patterns from Lisa Chandler on stand 112.
Wonderful, come on, see you down there at 1012. Next one. Hey.
Hi, how you going?
Good.
Hi, I'm Judy from Bears by Annie, stand number 45. We've got lots of bears ranging from this size down to tiny ones, patterns, kits and ready-made.
Wonderful, come on, see ya. Next one in. Come on in. Come on, hands.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Oh, you blend in with the background, look at that, yes.
Hi, good morning. My name is Hans. We got long arm sewing machines and quilting machines. Know-how sewing essentials, stand 61.
Yes.
Any kind of frames, small frames, big frames, all kind of stuff which we have here on display. So you better get here because it's not something which you can say in a local shop.
No, and you've got threads and rulers and cutting, true cut rulers as well. Wonderful, come and see you. 12 o'clock class with your Rulers, yes, as
Yeah.
well.
The comic is your free brochure.
Yes.
And your price quote.
Wonderful. Off you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Off you go.
I want more than 15
No,
seconds.
you get out of here. Next one.
Hi, I'm Janine from Maggie Moo Music. We're running kids classes all day today,
Oh, wonderful.
all day tomorrow from 10, 11, 1 and 2. And we have the kids classes Craft Alive. We're doing ones for the kids, $5 each.
Wonderful. Come and see you. Next one. Gosh, there's lots of exhibitors here. Come down and see us. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Libby from Libby's Cards, Charms and Dies on site 57, and we've got many generic dies, over 700 charms.
Wow.
And lots of other crafting items.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Come and see you. Next one. Come on through. Here we go. Hey, Jenny, how you going?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Good, good.
Hi, I'm Jenny from Black Possum Fabrics in Tea Gardens.
Yes.
And we're doing a class today on mini cushions. So, come along and watch us. Also lead lighting with fabric. So
Wonderful. And your classes are?
12 and 2.
12 and 2, so come on down and see it. Thanks, Jenny.
Thank you,
Wonderful.
darling. Thank
That's
you.
all right. Well, guys, that's just a few of the exhibitors. Some of us are still working on a few things. Come and see us at the Wodonga Sports and Leisure Centre, 9:30 till 4, and we're also open tomorrow. You can get a multi-day pass. Little secret: if you buy your pass this morning and you want to come back tomorrow, $5 extra. So come and get your multi-day pass as well. My classes, I'm Narelle from Byndees Precuts. As you know, we're on the YouTube channel. My classes are 10, 11, 1 and 2, and I will show you how to use lots of different multiple pre-cuts. So come and see me. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we'll be able to follow me from there and watch what's happening in the Byndees Precuts world. So thank you so much for watching, and come down and see us all here at the Craft Alive Wodonga, and happy sewing.